Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying Chrome itself is healthy. Open Settings and go to About Chrome so it updates. An outdated build can hide UI elements. Once done, fully close Chrome and reopen, then open an incognito window to see if the address/search bar returns. This isolates profile or extension problems. Make sure to disable all extensions temporarily. Many UI issues stem from a single extension altering the toolbar. If the bar appears in incognito, the issue is likely an extension or profile setting. Next, you reset experimental changes and inspect toolbar settings. Type Chrome//flags and choose Reset All to Default because a flag can remove UI components. Restart Chrome after. Then right-click the top toolbar area to ensure the Omnibox isn't hidden by a customized toolbar. Toggle bookmarks and extensions visibility to check overlap. If the Omnibox remains missing, create a new Chrome profile and sign in. A fresh profile quickly indicates whether the original profile was corrupted, which explains persistent UI disappearance. Finally, you perform a clean reinstall while preserving important data. Export bookmarks and any passwords you need, then uninstall Chrome. Make sure to delete the user data folder. This removes corrupted profile files that survived resets. On Windows, clear %localappdata %google/chrome/user data. Reinstall the latest Chrome build and sign back in. Restore bookmarks first and test the address/search bar before re-enabling extensions. If the bar still fails to appear, try a different browser to confirm system level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.